So what you're looking at here is the result of my prairie turnip experiment. I had planted the first batch of 10 seeds. I filmed that. And out of those 10 seeds, I had 0% germination. I believe the reason why was because it says to use boiling water in the process to treat the seeds. And I think that the water was too hot that I soaked them in. So I probably essentially cooked them. The second batch, I did 10 more seeds. Did not film that part. I did it the same way, except I just used like very hot water out of the tap. And that seemed to do a lot better. I had roughly 70 to 80% germination rate. But out of those, once they were put into dirt, only 5 of them came up. One of them, you don't see it here because it didn't make it, the seed coat never would come off of the plant. So my guess is that I didn't scarify that enough. I didn't put it on the sandpaper to take some of the outer seed coat off as much as I should have. So these 4 survived big enough that I'm going to be putting these in the ground today. And I'm going to do more and more experiments so I can get this plant spread all over my yard. But on this channel, I try to be as transparent as possible. And if I do an experiment, I usually always follow up. So that's why I wanted to film this for you guys, so you could see what the little baby plants look like on the prairie turnip. And you could see what the results of my efforts were. Now, hopefully I'll keep getting better and better at it.